In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Shopify for email marketing. To get started, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, products, settings, and apps. Make sure you are using the correct store account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Shopify store. Once you are inside the admin area, take a moment to let the dashboard load fully so all menus appear correctly on the left side of the screen. Next, you are going to head into the Apps area. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. This is where Shopify keeps the tools that can extend your store with extra features. After opening Apps, look for the option that says All Recommended Apps. Click that, and then choose Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can search for apps that help with email marketing, pop-ups, sign-up forms, and customer capture. Now that you are in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for a pop-up app. Pop-up apps are useful because they let you collect email addresses from visitors while they are browsing your store. You can search for an app such as Privy, Klaviyo, or Hulk pop-ups. These are examples of tools that can help you create sign-up forms for email marketing. After you type in the app name or search term, review the results and click the app that you want to use. Take a moment here to check that you are selecting the correct app, since many apps can have similar names or similar features. Once the app has been selected and is available in your store, go back to your Shopify admin and open it from your Apps menu. This keeps everything connected to your store and lets you manage the pop-up directly from Shopify. When the app opens, you may see its own dashboard, setup screen, or menu layout. Each app may look slightly different, but the general process is the same. You are looking for the area where you can create a new sign-up form. Inside the app, click Create Sign-up Form. This is the part where you begin building the email capture form that visitors will see on your store. After that, click Create Form, and then choose Pop-up as the form type. Selecting Pop-up tells the app that you want the form to appear on top of the store page, rather than being placed as a regular embedded form. This is a common format for email marketing because it can draw attention to your offer or newsletter sign-up. After choosing the pop-up format, select a template. Most pop-up apps include several ready-made templates, so you do not have to design everything from scratch. Pick a template that matches the style of your store and is easy for customers to read. Once the template opens in the editor, customize the text and colors. You can adjust the message so it clearly explains why someone should sign up. You can also change the colors to match your brand, so the pop-up feels like a natural part of your store rather than a separate tool. When the design looks the way you want, move on to the trigger settings. These settings control when the pop-up appears to your visitors. For example, you may set a time delay, so the pop-up appears after someone has been on the site for a certain amount of time. You may also use exit intent, which shows the pop-up when a visitor appears to be leaving the page. Choose the trigger that best fits your goal and keeps the customer experience smooth. Finally, once your form design and trigger settings are ready, click Save or Publish. The exact button name may depend on the app you are using, but this is the action that stores your changes and makes the pop-up active. After publishing, your Shopify store can begin using the pop-up to collect email signups for your email marketing efforts. And that is all there is to it.